Well, here's a little update. Captain Coey's got a side panel made. And actually looks like a vice grip rack right now. We've also we built an inner structure for it. We're finishing the grid for the top. But it's been a challenging piece. Lumpy like a bag of nickels. All good. It's coming out. Not bad for a few days. It's been a minute. So let's do a little update on the O's. See if this is we'll make this an addition to the previous one that I haven't posted yet. So, yep, that's the transmission. It's out again. But good news is it works. Only reason why it's out is because the transmission shop apparently doesn't like using gaskets. They sealed it with silicone, and when I took it apart, I put it back together with silicone just to see if it would work before I had to send it off to somebody else. So Fatsco, they deal in a whole bunch of different transmission stuff, and I bought a reseal kit for the whole thing. So gaskets that I've managed to try to keep intact are now going to be changed, and so I wanted to work on that tomorrow, but I ordered a new socket and some tools to make my life a little easier, and they just so evidently has to be a problem with UPS. They're not delivering them until Monday when I ordered them 2 days ago, and they only take them a day to ship. So, oh well. Work on some more stuff tomorrow. It's going to be mandatory 6 days a week for a while. We've got a bunch of work, and well, just Nathan and I now. And so Grover, doesn't look like much has been done, but actually quite a bit has been done. Air ride's done. We got to test it, and the rear fender's been remounted again. The door, I haven't put the door back on. It's just kind of been in my way. But the carburetor, distributor's in it, upper radiator hose is in it, which needs to be trimmed because I don't like that. And we got a little bit of troubleshooting with the headlights. I think it's the switch. We'll do that Monday. But I am going to try to fire this truck this week, or this next week. We've got a AC leak, which is no surprise. We'll nitrogen it up maybe tomorrow and let it sit for another couple days. The rear doors are going to get worked on tomorrow, I think, is what Nathan's plan is. Yeah, so there's that. Try not to bore you guys. I like doing these video updates for my clients, and so that way they can see what's going on if they're on Facebook, which most of them are. And so, yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy them, and we'll keep growing our subscriber list. I want to get into doing some cool stuff. You know, the Coey. I love that truck. It's going to be a cool truck. Now that we've got it, we've got it fixed, man. There's been a lot of work. I'm going to go back here. So we'd actually found that upper pillar, the A pillar, was out. I think it was like 3/8 or a half an inch to the passenger side. The windshield bottom, was dropped a quarter of an inch, and the bottom A pillar was out a quarter of an inch. And also the top was forward like 3/8 of an inch. So we had to pull it all back together. No wonder that front bar never fit right when we took it all apart. It was squished. It was bent. And I got an earlier video or picture, and I may end up putting it over on the left side here if I find it. But yeah, we had to pull that whole structure back this way. That's the reason why we have an updated structure in the truck, because it needed it. I didn't realize how bad it was because all the doors for this truck were demolished. The roof had tons of damage in it. The third door cab, the rear cab, really didn't have much to it, but other than the dimensions and portion of the third door was okay. But and hell, the window opening, the damn window opening over on this side wasn't even close to being the same size. So it would have been way up here. Yeah, so now this window, and this window are all going to be the same size. So it actually looks right. So I'm digging it. I really am. Cool. Thanks, guys. Thanks for seeing me. I'm sorry. Thanks, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Tell me what you guys want to see. We do a ton of different stuff here. It's going to be more metal shaping and fabrication than what you guys have been seeing lately, once we get some of this other stuff out of the way. So, yeah, let me know. Thanks, guys.